the hustle and bustle of daily life, we often forget to take time to connect with ourselves and the deep desires within. It is essential to set a clear intention before embarking on any journey, whether it's for personal growth, health, love, or prosperity. By clearly defining our goals, we can focus our energy and willpower, making it easier to attract the good things we desire into our lives. Take a moment now to reflect on what you want to manifest in your life. It could be genuine love, lasting health, or prosperity in your career and finances. Write down this intention, as this not only helps you clarify your desires, but also creates a deeper connection between you and the universe, strengthening the power to manifest your dreams. Now, sit comfortably and begin by taking deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, feeling the fresh air filling your body, and gently exhale through your mouth, releasing all worries and tension. With each breath, you move into a state of peace and relaxation, preparing yourself for the physical and mental transformation you are about to experience. Now, allow yourself to relax completely and imagine that you are in a place of absolute peace and safety. It could be a lush green forest with tall trees, where you can hear the gentle songs of birds and feel the cool shade of the leaves. Or perhaps you are standing on a quiet beach, where the gentle waves kiss the shore and the warm breeze embraces you. Choose a place where you feel most comfortable, where you can fully relax and be yourself. As you vividly imagine this place, feel the energy it offers you. Notice the sounds around you, the vibrant colors, and the fresh air. Every small detail contributes to the feeling of safety and peace. This is a space where all the worries of life can fade away. A place just for you, free from interruptions and disturbances. Let your body gradually relax. Start with your feet and feel the heaviness begin to dissipate. Continue up to your legs, hips, abdomen, and chest. Every exhale is an opportunity to release tension. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your mind to become lighter and more at ease, bringing you into a state of calm and serenity. Now that you are fully connected with your peaceful space, start start to declare the intentions you want to send out to the universe. This is the moment to make positive affirmations. A promise to yourself to let go of what no longer serves you and welcome new opportunities. Close your eyes and in your mind or aloud, repeat the following affirmations. I am ready to release the past and embrace a new version of myself. I am ready to let go of all pain, worry, and limitations that have held me back. Let each affirmation become a part of you, like seeds planted in the earth, ready to grow and blossom into something beautiful. As you repeat these affirmations, imagine a warm light surrounding your body. This light can be any color that makes you feel safe and peaceful. Perhaps a gentle golden hue or pure white. Feel this light spreading from head to toe, filling every cell of your body. This light not only surrounds you, but also helps cleanse any negative emotions that have been suppressed for so long. With every inhale, you draw in new, pure energy. With every exhale, you release emotions, thoughts and memories that no longer serve you. Let all burdens, worries and sadness fade away with your breath. With every breath, you feel a sense of relief, a release from mental chains, and an opportunity to welcome a new version of yourself. The version you have always aspired to become. Now that you have let go of unhelpful emotions and thoughts, direct your mind forward and imagine your path. This is a bright, illuminated path representing your life's purpose and direction. As you walk each step along this path, feel confidence and peace flooding into you. Each step brings you closer to your greater purpose. Along this path, take note of the signs, images, and symbols that appear. Perhaps you see your natural talents, skills and dreams that have always been in your heart. Each sign is a reminder of your potential and your mission. Connect with them, feeling the bond between your deepest essence and the life purpose you are meant to pursue. As you continue to walk, remind yourself that everything you need to fulfill your goals already exists within you. Declare, I am connected to my life's purpose. I have everything I need to accomplish my mission. The talents, resources, and strength you require are already there, waiting for you to discover and unlock. Trust that you are on the right path, and with each step, you move closer to transformation and fulfillment.